Hello students, today we will be going through a knapsack problem. So what is this knapsack problem? Okay, so the knapsack problem is an optimization problem used to illustrate both problem and the solution. So here given a knapsack, that is a bag or a container of capacity m and n objects of weights w1, w2, w3 so on up to wn with profits p1, p2 so on up to pn. Let x1, x2, x3 be the fractions of the objects that are supposed to be added into the knapsack. The main objective is to place the objects into the knapsack so that maximum profit is obtained and the weights of the objects chosen should not exceed the capacity of the knapsack. So for example, choosing a boxes, maximize the, you have to which boxes should be chosen to maximize the amount of money while still keeping the overall weight, that is 15 kg. Okay, so that is one example. So here this is the optimizing function, that is maximize summation of I equal to 1 to n pi xi, and these are the constraints. Okay, which means if you have a bag, if you have the capacity equals 10, so and you have to place some n objects. So when you place that and it will have certain profit. Okay, so it should not decrease the profit, as well as it should take the maximum capacity. And if the capacity is if the capacity is full, then you cannot place that object into that particular container. So this is the simple logic of this knapsack problem. So we will go through one problem here. So this is the example. Obtain the optimal solution for the knapsack problem using greedy method given the following, that m is equal to 40, that is capacity is 40, n is equal to 3, that is number of elements, and these are the weights w1, w2, w3, 20, 25 and 10, and these are the respective profits, that is p1, p2, p3, they are 30, 40 and 35. So let us go just have a look at the solution. That is the capacity, what are the given things here? M is equal to 40, n is equal to 3, and profits and weights are this much. Okay, so you have to get optimal solution. To get optimal solution, arrange objects in decreasing order of profit divided by weight as shown here. Okay, so you have to divide profits by weights. For example, 30 by 20, 40 by 25, 35 by 10. Then after dividing, you get the values, and it should be in the in decreasing order. So it should start from lowest to highest. From decreasing order, in the sense it should be in the ascending order. So it will start from 3.5, then it comes 1.6, which is greater than equal to 1.5. Now you have to arrange in this format. So after arranging this, you get, first you get 35, that is value is 10, then the second is 40, weight is 25, 30 and 20. Okay, so 3.5 you get for this thing, 35 and 10. So first you arrange this, then you get 1.6, so you write 40 and 25, and finally you get 1.5 by dividing 30 and 20. So you arrange this in that format. Okay, now you have to here there is something called as RC, which is nothing but it is the remaining capacity of the knapsack. So we will solve this. So firstly you have to write objects, weights, profits, then you have something called as X, or usually it will be 1, but when you get in point values, that time you have to consider it, otherwise you just take it as 1. Then you have profit is equal to X into Pi, then RC value, that is nothing but remaining capacity minus weight into X. So initially it is nothing, you take nothing but the total capacity you take, that is remaining capacity. Initially it is m is equal to 40, so initially the weight will be 40. Next step, you see there are 3 elements, so obviously you have to place it three times. So firstly the object 1 is placed. So what is the weight of that object? It is 10, profit is 35, and here you take it as 1 only because you have capacity. Then profit is equal to X into Pi, that is 1 into profit, 35, so you get 35. Okay, then remaining capacity, how you calculate? RC minus WI into X. So you